Hello everyone. Welcome back to Code Artistry. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because today I'm bringing you something special, an in-depth guide to the Google Cloud Archid Facilitator Program 2025. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with the program, how to claim your 600 free Google Cloud credits, and how to complete your very first lab, the one that unlocks it all. So first thing, congratulations. You've officially been enrolled in the Google Cloud Archid Facilitator Program 2025 Cohort 2. This program is your golden gateway to learn cloud computing hands-on and even win prizes and Google Cloud swags while doing it. If you got the email like this on your registered Gmail, that means you're in. Now let's move on to the most important step, how to unlock your learning journey with free credits. Alright. Before you can start learning on the platform, you need credits. And don't worry, Google gives you 600 credits totally free, but you need to unlock them by doing one small lab first. This is super important. You must open an incognito mode window in your browser. For Windows, Ctrl plus Shift plus N. For Mac, CMD plus Shift plus N. In that incognito tab, head over to this special link, also in the video description. Once the page opens, a pop-up will ask for your access code. Enter the exact code you receive in your email. Please don't share this code. It's unique to you and can only be used once. After submitting the code, sign in with the same Gmail ID you used to join the program. Now click your profile icon in the top right. You should see 9 free credits added to your account. If not, refresh the page or log out and repeat the same steps. Once you have the 9 credits, you're now ready to start the lab and unlock the full 600 credits. And that's what we'll cover next. Alright, now that you've got your 9 starting credits using the access code, let's talk about the first lab because this one is the key to unlocking your 600 free Google Cloud credits, so make sure you follow every step correctly. Head over to the Google Cloud Skills Boost platform. There will be a lab called a tour of Google Cloud hands-on labs, or if the lab is not shown there, then you can search for it or just click the link shown in the description. Go inside the lab. Now hit the green button that says Start Lab. You need to stay in the lab for 6 minutes or more. Now we will copy the username and paste it here. Now we will go back to the lab and copy the password from here and paste it here. You have to click on I understand. Now you have to tick the I agree checkbox and click on agree and continue. Now we will go back to the lab. Now we have to complete its task 3. So from here we will go to task 3. Here in task 3, some instructions are written. You have to follow them to complete the task. So first of all, we have to go to the navigation menu and click on IM and admin, then click on the IM. Now click Grant Access. In the Add Principal section, copy the identifier from here and paste it here. Now from the Select a Role drop-down menu in the Assign Role section, search for Viewer, then click Viewer. Then click Save. Now you can check your progress by clicking on Check My Progress. Now we have to complete its task 4. So from here we will go to task 4. Here in task 4, some instructions are written. You have to follow them to complete the lab. So first of all, we have to go to the navigation menu and click on API and Services, then click on the library. Now you have to search in the API library. You can copy the Dialogflow API from here, then paste it here and press enter. Then click on Dialogflow API and enable this API. Now here you can see the status of the API has been enabled. Now we will go back to the lab. And keep in mind that you have to stay in this lab for at least 6 minutes to complete the lab. Now you can check your progress by clicking on Check My Progress. So all our progress has been completed, as you can see in the yellow bar on the side. Now you can finish the lab by clicking on End Lab. In this additional comment you can write, Good lab, and rate it and submit it, or you can also click on Cancel. Now you can check your 609 credits by going to your profile. And if you don't find it, then wait for some time and refresh it and check it again. And that's how you unlock your full learning potential with 600 credits. Up next, I'll show you how to start your first badge, track your progress, and work towards those cool Google swags. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to Code Artistry.